Hello guys, so in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. So this is going to be for the mobile and PC version. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so starting off with the PC or desktop version. So it's as easy as it gets. All you would need to do is click on the top right, which is your profile icon. You'll see it just there. Now you don't need to be on your main channel. It'll be located anywhere on YouTube anyway. So go ahead and click on that. Now, just below, you can see that the restricted mode is currently on. We want to go ahead and turn that off. So go ahead and click on it. Now, the reason why some people would have the restricted mode on is just to filter out any of the potentially mature videos, so anything that contains a discretion or maybe some foul language, and anything. It's more like a parental version, especially if you're giving your phone to kids, anything like that. So anyway, go ahead and deactivate the restricted mode. So that'll go ahead and deactivate. Your screen should load or reload, and if we take a look at it again, so click on the profile icon, you'll see then that the restricted mode is off. So that is the PC version. I'm going to go ahead and hop on to the mobile and show you how to do it on that. Alright, so this one's going to be straightforward. So open up YouTube, click on the top right on your icon again. So that's where it's going to be located. You'll see your restricted, and then go to the settings. So you'll see it if you scroll down, go ahead and click on settings, and then it was previously here straight away. You could have seen it on the settings, but it's now going to be on the general. So go ahead and click on the general, and as you can see, restricted mode is currently off, but if you did want to turn it on, you can go ahead and do so. So it's just by a flick of a switch and you're able to turn it on and off. So that's pretty much how you do it on mobile as well. But there you have it, folks. That is how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. So that's the mobile and PC version. Quick and simple tutorial. Hopefully this video has helped you. If it did, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.